Nightbot was sleeping. Nightbot was being a sleepy bot. Obsidian. This is one thing that needs to get done, but it just seems like it's gonna be a pain in the ass, bro. Camera, enable. It just seems like it's gonna be a fucking pain, bro. Excuse me. What does my friend have to say about it? In Unity, I have this to-do item for my game. Currently, the animator is handling the triggering of turning on and off hitboxes, etc. with animation events. Can't do it in update, dude. I can't do it in update. Can't you see? Bro, I have heartburn. What if I have a heart attack from drinking coffee? That would not be good. I actually have a script. Like, kind of makes sense. I've already gotten part of this done, now that I'm remembering. Because it is handled by, like, an activator script. So that makes sense, that inside of fixed update we can check what animation frame they're on and if we should toggle hitboxes. And the state can have active frame properties. I don't know why it recompiles the global illumination for this every single time, but it's kind of annoying. Can't you see? So we look at like the neutral air here. Go to the animation tab. We have these events. Enable damage hitboxes. Sword trails object none. Where is this? Where is this? I guess that we just open the player, state, manager, and then we search the entire project for the string. Bro, this camera is so far behind. Sorry about that. That's like seconds behind. Is it a mono behavior? Okay, he can handle his own stuff then, I guess. Rest of your methods. Now you'll be able to define active frames for each named hitbox. Active frames, ooh, that's smart. Let's see, we have list of named hitboxes. Okay. This all makes sense. Make sure that the animator field is also set to your character's animator component. So this should really be called Hurtbox controller. Okay. Find replace. Quick replace. confused as to why I didn't want to change that one. Oh, did I not do it for all of them? I see. There we go. Okay. I'm impressed that I had it so close already. Okay. Damage hurt box controller. Okay, good. Named hurt box. All good. Probably broken. Yep. Only partially. He's getting fucked up, dude. That guy's getting fucked up. Holy mackerel. Oh, it's compiling global illumination again! It never stops. Nightbot was taking the day off, dude. He didn't want to work in my stream today. To be fair, I only paid him $1 one time 100 years ago, so he does deserve a bit of a break. Yeah, this shit is lagging me. Why are we compiling global illumination over and over and over and over and over again? Mr. Directional Light? Huh? Why is that? Quick compiling this shit. Quit it! The reason why my character just has no color is because I never clicked on her the way you're supposed to. When you launch up the scene, you're supposed to click on her. See? Holy fucking shit, dude. It's lagging so hard. It's even dropping frames here. Look, she's got color again. Unity keeps computing global illumination. Baking. Well, quit fucking baking, bro. Auto-generate. Ah, somehow it clicked auto-generate. Some moron clicked the auto-generate button. Wow, these are not people that Ezreal can kill. Ezreal has no chance of killing these guys. but I do have Zareth support, so Ezreal is a good choice. I think we just do it anyway. I think we just fucking do it anyway, bro. I'm Platinum 2 now. Soon I will be Emerald League. Which it seems like that's the new cool place to be hard stuck is Emerald League. I gotta try it on for size. I was already, I want to say Platinum 1. No, only Platinum 2. Okay. We're at a new peak. We're now peaking with our 80% win rate Ezreal. And don't worry about this Fizz game. This was the Senna game where I got fucking gigabaited into buying the Kraken Slayer, which is the shit item on this character. If you play her as carry. Just seems like not a great item to go. Yeah, look at these builds. One build with Kraken Slayer. You're supposed to go Eclipse and RFC. That makes more sense to me. So much better that it's not going to be constantly baking. Yo, everybody got the fucking fastest computer in the world, dude. What the hell? I said, what the hell, bro?
Welcome to Summoner's Rift. Seconds until minions spawn.
Alrighty, boys. So how do you play to the advantage of Ezreal Zareth bot lane, you might be wondering. Now this is a real tricky one. What you need to do is shoot them with your guns. You want to shoot them with your long-range guns. See, this guy, he's a short ranger, and he's from Taiwan. And then TSM Nightwolf. You don't want to be supporting TSM in a time like this. In a time like this, you want to be staying away from TSM. I watched the Germa House Flipper stream. There were some good inventions there. I like the 100 Thieves Cash App house that they built. That was very funny. That was very funny that they did that. Guys, the oldest Anarchy server in Minecraft has been updated. My boy Asman reviewing a Shuan head video. Oh my god. He's gone to the alt-right. Woman makes video about scientifically proven facts that men have less friends than ever before, and it may be affecting their mental health and well-being. Thank you for not flashing. A really bad Zareth would flash there. He'd be like, "Oh my god, they went in on me. They're gonna kill me." I think he could cue the wave for me here. W in the wave is fine too. Thank you. I think Zeri on
First blood. An enemy has been slain.
Zeri playing topside is way better. Like if she gets, this is red side, right? Blue side, red side. I think that if they get red side, Zeri's better because she can abuse this wall. By abuse, I mean, you know, actually use it. I don't mean abuse. She seems like it's worse to be on the bot side of the map than the defense area because you don't have this wall to shoot through. Oh, nice dodge. Get him, boys! No. 2 for 1.
Double kill.
Oopsie daisy. Why absent fathers harm children and ruin society? Let's learn.
An enemy has been slain. An ally has been slain.
Any man children in the audience?
An ally has been slain.
Ooh. Ally Star in the top lane, huh? No!
An enemy has been slain.
This is... I think that he should just start Dragon here. Starting Dragon makes more sense to me. We're helping by keeping them here right now.
An enemy has been slain.
We're fine. Doing a good job. I don't know why that guy did that, but that's kind of rude. You need the boys in the house. Yeah, that was fairly eye-opening to me too. There's a Malcolm Gladwell. Hey, guys, give Malcolm a fucking pass, okay? Malcolm's just trying his best out here. Malcolm's a bit of a goofball. Malcolm might think he's a little smarter than he is. But we gotta give Malcolm a pass, okay? He's trying his best out here. He makes good podcast episodes. He's a well-spoken dude. Yeah, he had an episode where he asked some friends or colleagues or maybe just academics he picked out of a hat. I forget. Anyway, he asked them questions about if they could run any experiment magically, like without ethical concerns or whatever, what would you do? And he had a child development person on there. Their answer was good. Do we get 2 plates? Dude, what the fuck is this Alistair doing? He's been everywhere. Is that true? Quit fucking autoing the minions, dude. You're being a pain. It's too bad that my jungler didn't get that off, but that's what it is.
An enemy has been slain.
How is this a surprise? This is just like common knowledge. We ran a study and we found out that children who eat no food are more likely to have malnourishment. That's crazy, dude. I feel for you. No, good exhaust. Choose one. Just choose one. Nice.
Double kill.
Fuck! I wanted to queue it, but you can't queue if you have no mana, dude. That's one of the rules of the game. It's written in stone. Thou shalt not queue if you have no mana. Freak. You have no mana, freak! I got a mosquito bite on my leg. There has been a mosquito bite. Where did that guy... Maybe he had to buy an item? I don't know. Oh, he was waiting for 42 gold. Could I not have this, like, disgusting input lag? Eh. Yeah, I think that this guy's got, like... He's working on something right now. This is not the gameplay of somebody that is mentally here. I am a child of a single person lane right here, folks. This is a single laner bot lane situation.
Turret plating will fall soon.
Why are we not killing that? Hello? He's screwed, right? Wow, nice one. If he wants to flash, it's fine. I really could not care less.
Unstoppable.
Oh my god, he's a beast! I was about to take this. Hello?
Your team has destroyed a turret. Your team has destroyed a turret.
Fuck, he's so fast, man. Guess that's kind of the point of the Zeri character, though, huh?
You have been slain.
Shit, is he ever a fast guy, bro?
Dominating.
Nice. I shouldn't have eat forward, that was dumb. I didn't realize that Alistar needed to be there. Of course he's gonna be there. That's where he should be.
An enemy has been slain.
Promiscuity.
Shut down.
Bourgeois.
Your team has destroyed a turret. Godlike.
Dude, I feel like I'm playing with 95 ping right now, by the way. Like, it's just disgustingly bad input latency.
Shut down.
Really, really uncomfortable to play. Yeah, this guy's like AFK. I don't really understand. He took all my fucking kills and now he's AFK in my lane, bro! It's a good call. What the fuck is this shit? Why? Why are there two guys there and they have full vision at my blue buff? That's bullshit. What the fuck, bro? Oh, I have a Galio on my team? Since when? When did this guy come on my team?
An enemy has been slain.
I don't remember that.
Your team has destroyed a turret. Ally has been slain.
Interesting. What is going on here? What a waste of time. Oh, they're in that bush. No? Where are they? Where'd they go? Well, like, we have nothing to do. The map is just in such a state right now where what are we gonna do other than just do some kind of fun Baron flip? That's what I want to do. I like Baron flipping, it's fun. I'm gonna get all in. Oh boy! Where's my Galio ult at? Hello? Oh well. Galio ultim! He did it! Oh no!
Triple kill.
Alright. Their team all into me, and then I get no help. What a surprise. What a surprise. Zareth?
An ally has been slain.
What's that all about? Okay. Galio, could you fucking engage, bro? What is this shit? He takes so long, man.
Slain.
Jesus. Walking around, letting people run away. You know what's a little more important than the chickens? Baron buff. Teleporting. Just finish it. Finish it, finish it, finish it, finish it, finish it, finish it, finish it. I'm curious.
An enemy has been slain. Double kill.
thing that my Kazakhs with 17 kills is so good, man. Wish I had 17 kills. I'm simply not good enough. Look how good this guy is. He has 17 kills because he's amazing. 18 kills, I mean.
Shut down.
And my support's so good. He has 18 ward score. That's really good when you play support. You want to have about 18. About as much as every other character on your team who doesn't have a warding trinket. That's how many you want. Just keep in line with everybody else. And buy a tier at 20 minutes.
Shut down.
Did I finally get a kill, bro? OMG. This game rocks now that I think about it.
Your team has destroyed a turret. Your team has destroyed an inhibitor.
Ba 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 ba.
An ally has been slain. An enemy has been slain. Your team has destroyed
I think that the Xerath is just mentally not here. I think that they're on... like they're working on something. They're on a phone call.
victory.
Bro, I did it. Take you down to Pokemon. We'll get there fast and then we'll take it slow. That's where we want to go. Way down to Pokemon. Wow, amazing. Don't tell me the Xerath got it. Okay, good. Whew. That's like, that guy, if anyone is not going to get an S, please do not give that guy an S. Please. The game is unfair if a player that bad gets an S. Well, to be fair, he wasn't that bad, really. He just wasn't paying attention. You should pay attention in my game, at least. You can be distracted in other people's games, but my game? Put on the try-hard pants. Give it your all. Show me what you're made of. 80% win rate, bro. This guy's nuts on AD carry. How is he so good and consistent? How is he so good? No one even knew it was possible to be this good at League of Legends, but I proved them all wrong. Didn't I? Huh. Okay. Damage Hurtbox Controller. Hitbox Controller. What's the quick replace? Control H. Okay. Attacks. I forget how this worked. You assigned the game objects. I believe you assigned the game objects to the script. Hurt box. Okay, so these have been modified now, so they got deleted. But we had, for example, this one. We have like hitbox stuff. Sword, base, hurt box. Okay. Yeah. I see. Way down in Kokomo, Port of Prince, I wanna catch a glimpse. Okay. How broken is this right now? I'm just assuming that you can't trigger attacks at all. No, they're on already. Maybe they're on by default. Whee! Kind of fun to smash this guy around. Hit him into the ceiling. Things you don't even program that the physics engine just takes care of. What a blast! Art box, they're all off. It appears. All disabled. These don't have hitboxes. I guess we could just hit play and check what scene it is, or what is active in the scene. What is active in the scene? Good question, bro. Here's my girl, pal. She has no registered hurt boxes. Inside of these ghost skeleton, we have a damage hurtbox controller. I see. So there were two of what I'm thinking of here. Aha. Ooh, see? Hitbox on. Hitbox, foot, toes, or the toes hitting anyone. So the hitboxes are not important here. Maybe it's just because he's the... Maybe Skeleton Man has some funny stuff, you know? The ones that we care about are the hurt boxes, not the hit boxes. That's just a Magica Cloth Collider. Okay, those are the three that we care about. Those should be the only ones that actually do anything. It doesn't look like there's any hitboxes here. Temp sword. Damage trails alt. That's fine. Head hitbox, main body hurtbox off. There's the head hitbox off. Because it's on the sword layer, so it is a damage source. Interesting. Well, we could just debug what collider it is, but I don't really want to do that badly. You must exit play mode to save the scene. Is that so? Just me, please. This is new too, this gizmo texture thing. So now we can see where they are placed inside of the scene. Where is the Skeleton King at? He does not have a texture. Skeleton King. Okay, there he is. He's placed. He placed right there. Also, he should probably not be that big. He can go there. And then we can drag him around and it makes sense. Here's where the Skeleton King is gonna spawn, you know? Now he spawns up here, now he spawns up here. That's all we need to do. It's that simple, bro. See? Here he comes. Oh my god! Hey, that's... why is he off center of his box? I was dragging the pivot point around? Just... there we go. Now it's all moving. Yeah, I was changing the pivot location instead of the actual location of my guy. Cool. That's my dog, Super Dog, up there. She's making a lot of noise. Let's go to FD. Nice open spot. Let's fight someplace more open, where no one's around, so that the animators don't have to draw as much. This is me. Should be like this. Yeah, I guess that makes sense. Okay, okay. Okay. Oops. I don't know why we have two hitbox controllers. What's that all about? That doesn't really make a lot of sense to me. Well, it's because they were controlled by the animator. Yeah, I guess it makes sense to just remove. We have the ghost skeleton. It can have the collider gizmo and the animator, but it shouldn't have this damage hurtbox controller. That should go away. And then inside of the animator, let's go with like a jab. So frame 3, it used to do something, but then we deleted it. Also, this wall, or the grab box collider, needs to be part of the skeleton too. Can I move this up, please? Thank you. We'll close these down. Not important for right now. Physics skeleton animator. Very good. Hurtbox. List is empty. Okay. Active frame dict. Animator. Animator.clip, is that what we're doing here? Animator. Get current animation state info.normalize time. Okay, so we're getting the current frame. The current frame should matter. Does it matter what clip it is? Yes. I have multiple different attacks which will all define different active frames and toggles, etc. for different game objects on player. can create a custom structure to hold the data related to each state, including the state name and related hitboxes with their active frames. You'll have to manage this data in a way that you can easily match the current state of the animation to the relative hitbox data. Here's how you would do it. State hitboxes. Hitbox name, named hitbox active frames. Okay. State name, state hitboxes. Okay. This makes sense to me. State hitboxes struct that allows you to associate a set of hitboxes with a specific animation state. You'll need to set up this data in Unity's inspector, specifying the state name, which must match the name of the corresponding animation clip, and the hitboxes with their active frames for each state. This code will check the current state animation in fixed update and find the corresponding hitbox data and enable or disable the hitboxes based on the current frame. Make sure you configure the state hitbox data in the list of the Unity editor to reflect the game's. Okay, here we are. Active frames. And we define a range of active frames instead. I guess it's just going to be like 12, 13, 14, 15. You know, it's not going to be a list of 600 values. I guess that makes sense. Okay. I've done some renaming. Can you please write out the entire file? Don't skip anything or do or say rest of your methods, etc. I want everything. Type out. Certainly. Enable damage hurt boxes. Set active true. Enable or disable hurt boxes. Disable all hurt boxes. Do you think this will have any meaningful performance impact on the game? Having to check each frame. There are going to be at most 6 to 8 characters on the screen that would utilize this functionality. Generally quite fast. They will be executed every frame, each update for each character on the screen, which could potentially have an impact on performance. Pre-calculate active frames. If the active frames of each state are fixed, you could pre-calculate which hurt boxes should be active on each frame and store that information in a more directly accessible structure. That would eliminate the need to search through an array on every frame. Yeah. Yeah, they're fixed. Frames we can pre-calculate. Great. If you have fixed frames for your animation pre-calculating the active hurt boxes will simplify the logic and should make the code more efficient. Here's a updated version of the code that pre-calculates the active hurt boxes for each frame of each animation state. Okay. On awake, it pre-calcs them all. That makes sense. Okay. We might want to move this from fixed update into just a normal function call and then call it from the manual update. Makes more sense to do it that way, IMO. I like this pre-calculation. This makes sense. This makes sense to me. Okay. Animator. Put on the ghost skeleton, bro. I call this, not state name. Named hurt box. Okay. Active frames. Okay, perfect, man. Perfect. So we'll call this sword trail. Let's call this state name Nair. Okay, then the sword trail object, we stick that on there. Sword trails. Put it on. Active frames. This is the list of it. So it'd be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. What's the state called? N-air, human nair. They both use the same clips. It's just they animate a different skeleton with the same clips. Yeah, it's complaining about the animation states here. So we'll kill them first. Okay. It's not mad about the nair anymore because I deleted the frames from it. There. Ghost skeleton. Active frames. Turn it all on. Yep. I say yep. What's it called, mister? It's called Human Nair. I don't want to reference the animation clip's name, as that is not name. I'd rather use the state name in the animation controller if that's possible. Like, I call it here to play, and I check check the animation like that. State info.isName. No, that's not what I mean. I think we want state info.name. the name from the hash. Get layer name. Okay, I guess we could try that. I don't know if that's gonna work though. I remember something about not being able to read these, but yeah, we're getting base layer. Yeah, that just returns base layer. I think we want to check which state of the animator state machine is currently animating. Yeah, that's not exactly right either. Okay, let's go back to how it was. And then we can change this name from this to the clip name, I guess. It's really not that big of a deal. Okay, human nair with a capital A. I hit pause though. Oopsie. Human N air with capital A. State name, human N air. Hurt boxes by frame. Active frames. Put 0 in there. Ah! You can see it on, but it's clear that it's being funny. Okay, forget that. I have changed it to work with the clip name instead. Can we make sure that, can we avoid turning off the hurt boxes automatically? I think that's causing some issues with my trail renderer. Train trail renderer, which draws a slash behind the sorta tags. Since you have active frames defined for each hurt box, you can simply enable them during those frames without disabling them every frame. We still need to disable them. They'd stay active forever in this example. We need to disable them only if they are not included in the active frame. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Sure, bro, sure. Steal my own little thing from here. Start printing out the name. Up to the top with you, my friend. Yeah, that does it. That does it for ya. Nice. All right. Perfect. Now I'll go and add all the active frames into for my states. Good work. Okay. That's going to be very boring. I don't want to do that right now. But that's good frameworking that we've done. And then, like I suggested, this fixed update should probably be handled inside of this fixed update. That way we don't screw it up. That way we never screw it up. Okay, peace out. Mr. Crop, why are you only streaming for an hour at a time? What's wrong with you? Are you getting old? You can't handle a 2-hour stream anymore? Might be true.